So it's camping season. You might be doing Duke of Edinburgh Awards or planning to go on a school trip or even just going camping on holiday. And I'm going to show you how to repair holes.
Using our Tuff Tape patches.
Okay, let's have a look at these.
So
this is a packet of Tuff Tape, and as you can probably see here, they're difficult to see because they're transparent, but they're a number of pre-cut patches, and you just peel them off and stick them back on. And then this is a much smaller packet. There's some little circular patches, 1, 2, 3, 4 small ones, one longer strip, and a larger circle up there. So we'll show you how you use these. They're going to be demonstrated by Katie.
Hello.
We've got some decent patches on there, decent sized patches. Now let's have a look and see what we're going to fix. As you can see on this side, we've got a really quite substantial like that, and it produces a workable surface that you can press onto. So I peeled back a little bit here, lined it up carefully. I'm just pressing that on, and now I'm just going to slowly peel this back, trying to keep those edges nicely together. There we go. And I can press that on really firmly. That's the job done. Like that. You can see it's a sort of got a little grey tinge to it here, and it's much better, closer to the colour, and that's purely because I've pressed firmly with a hard, smooth edge. And as I continue doing that, you'll see the colour all coming fairly uniform with the background colour. And this is just the glue sticking really well. Once that's done, it's very unlikely to come undone. There you have it.